How to redeem or use lifestyle gift card. Today, I'm going to show you how to redeem and use a lifestyle gift card, whether it's for shopping online or in store. First things first, what you need to do is take a look at your lifestyle gift card. You'll usually find the card number, a PIN, and expiry date. Make sure you have those details handy as you'll need them to redeem the card. If you want to redeem your lifestyle gift card online, start by visiting the official lifestyle website. Once you're there, simply sign up for your account. If you have already an account created, simply sign in, or if not, simply sign up for your new account. Once you're inside the lifestyle website, simply choose the items you want to purchase and head out to the checkout page. At the checkout, you'll see an option to enter your payment details. Look for a section that said gift card or promo card. Simply enter the gift card number and PIN exactly as they appear on the card. Double check for any spaces or dashes if needed. And once you've entered the details, simply click apply or redeem. The amount on your gift card will be deducted from your total order. And that's it. That's how you can simply redeem and use your lifestyle gift card, whether online or in store.